Belgian Car Parts is actually a merger between two companies, Best Parts and First Parts. We were both strong players within the automobile sector, so we supply the original spare parts of Opel, Citroën, Peugeot, Fiat, and so on to the official dealers. We each had our region. First Parts was located in Zwevegem, Belgium. Now we cover all of Belgium from both of our branches, actually. The big problem in automotive is, if you open a logistics company tomorrow and everything comes in pallets and in boxes, it's not that much of a challenge to start setting up your warehouse, because then you sit pallet racks and it's done. The challenge in the automobile is that there's a lot of different packaging. Plastic bags, big cardboard boxes, tiny bags. So the diversity of packaging is so great, and that's actually where our challenge lay, to get that out of the way in our warehouse and make the flow as good as possible. It's actually very simple. Normally you go to the goods yourself. You walk through the warehouse with your floor truck to go pick up the goods. The fact that the elevators bring the goods to you increases the efficiency in itself. The walking distances are getting smaller and smaller. The fact that we also have double takeout also means that they never have to wait, actually, because there's always another drawer ready to go and process immediately, actually. Which of course increases efficiency very much. Together, Belgian Car Parts and Vanna stand for innovation and efficiency in the world of automotive distribution.